I just made this little caroler looking thing. I'm going to try and reproduce it. Maybe not exactly the same colors, but I'm going to try and make another one. Okay, little Miss Caroler here. She's got some wrinkles. That's because of molding. I might see if I get a little water or lotion maybe on my fingers. Later I might go ahead and Thumbelina. Might go ahead and try to smooth the dress. I don't know. I'm always afraid if I mess with things like this too much that I'm going to lose them. So anyway, yes, I will catch my breath sooner or later. I will get you a better close-up in a bit. Her face is pretty much, you know, a mannequin type face. Number 2. Now I can't make any boys because I'm using these little pots that I made, put the little flowers in. I'm making those as the base. And so, oh wait, this is going to be their face and arms. Okay. Let's see, what color dress do I want with this one? Let's go yellow. Because I got enough yellow. Okay. I've got a bunch of this yellow, and I can order more if I need it for the kids' candles. Stars. So what I did was I just kind of made a torso out of the dress color. Well, that probably looks like a little bit of a weird thing right now, but hopefully I can get this skirt on there in a way that will look somewhat like a part of it. It's a good thing clay's sticky. I can do some work with it. That might look a little uneven on the torso part, but that's only because, well, it kind of is. And it's also the way I've so far worked the skirt up around it. Okay. This is what I did to get the sleeves. See if I can do it again. Gotta get them in the right spot. Right now they look a little like angel wings, but Getting these awfully thin for arms. I need more. Well, I can pinch it. That's what I did before. Approximately in half. Okay. Then I put the arm on and I flap the arm of the dress around that. Then, hopefully to give it something to stay clung to. Uh-oh. Try not to go through the yellow so much, go through the brown. And goes the toothpick. This is where I'm glad it's a little bit forgiving. Okay. Oh, no. Maybe we will just forget that. Or I'm going to just tear it all back apart again. Still isn't taking on the shape of the sleeve that I want, like the other one did. I know those have to be the same color. I took them off the same piece. There for a minute, one looked purple. And it's like, no, we can't have that. I'm just taking a piece of toothpick and kind of, that ain't right. I do have tools. There. Just kind of give it a little hollow for eye placement. And a little bit of a grin. Okay. Now, I need to tone this brown down a little for the hair so it looks like it has hair. So let's see what I get. I hope I'm not being too boring here. Put some music behind it. I'd get a closer shot, except I don't know how to get a closer shot and still have all of the elements in there. Ah, it's getting a bit lighter. We'll give her a little bit of a longer hair. Okay. There they are. Nice little close-up. I'd like you to start now, and to start listing me thank yous that you want me to say, and I'm going to try and put them all on one document, and then we'll put one each day into the video so that we can use those for the Thanksgiving season. Okay? The reason I'm asking for the thank you statements right now is because if we wait until we're right up on November and then try to come up with a bunch of them, everybody's head's going to be getting clogged with trying to think of something. I know mine does when I wait to the last minute. So, yeah. Start coming up with some of those. Of course, I'll throw some in, but anybody who's listening can sure put one in. And I don't mind whether they come from you on Facebook or here on YouTube. It's totally up to you. If you post something on my Facebook page, you know, the Fralin and Friends page there under this, rather than go and put it on the YouTube video site itself, I will try and pick that up. So, but if you're certainly welcome to come over to YouTube and subscribe to my channel, and I would like it if you would. I do have the Fralin and Friends page over on Facebook as well. So, with all of that long statement, yeah, I just want to encourage you to help me get started with that. So please do subscribe and click that notification bell. Give us a thumbs up. We've got some nice carolers here. However I made them, they're nice carolers. They're personalities there. So, and we will see you mañana. We love you. If you would like to help support this channel, as well as my writing and the research I need to do for the next book, just buy my books. That's the best way.
Got it yesterday. It's got a flag on it even.
Goodbye.